गुड इवनिंग नमस्कार मु सीनियर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट एजीएस टेक्नोलॉजी ग्रुप आज आमर 18th फाउंडेशन डे सेलिब्रेशन करुचु भुवनेश्वर आमर ये होगा 10 वर्ष पाखापाखि 100 पिला काम करें एक्सपेक्ट करुचु यही वर्ष आमर आउ 100 पिला आसवे आमर नुआ प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च होची आमे डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्रीज एंटर करुचु बहुत खुशी लगुच आम एड बड़ प्रोग्राम आज आयोजन कर थैंक यू आम जो शिपिंग होची प्रोडक्ट कम्प्लीटली एआई इंटीग्रेटेड
ये तो चलती वार चलती गोटे बड़ चैलेंज रोचे मैरीटाइम बिजनेस में तो
दैट विल ओवरकम डेफिनेटली फॉर श्योर एंड वी हैव लॉन्च्ड सच ए प्रोडक्ट कि से भाया स्थिति भी आम डेलीवर दे पार
तो से किसी चैलेंजेस आसनी सर ये टाइम
लॉन्च द प्रोडक्ट
तो सही टाइम आप लॉन्च कर जोटा गोटे चैलेंजेस मोमेंट केमती ग्रहण करते सर
चैलेंज तो रही डेफिनेटली बट गोइंग फॉरवर्ड आम जो भाया स्ट्रैटेजी बर्तमान इम्प्लीमेंट करुचु से स्ट्रैटेजी गोइंग फॉरवर्ड 2 to 3 months पर से भाया किसी चैलेंज रही आम जहाँ आशा करूँ
आक्रोश ग्रुप के क्लाइंट अच्छे
मोर देन 300
इंडिया पर्पज पर आउ कौन प्लान कर
इंडिया वी हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सपैंडेड आवर होराइजन्स आम बैंगलोर ऑफिस खोलू भुवनेश्वर आम जेहेतु ओडिया लोक तो भुवनेश्वर लोक बेस चाहूँ कि निजुक्ति मिलू आम पाखे पाखापाखि 100 पिला बर्तमान काम कर आगामी यही वर्ष में आम चेष्टा करूँ आहरी 100 पिला ऐड कर
myself Srikanth Sahu. Generally, I'm USA रहे. So most of the time I come here to celebrate our foundation day. आज बहुत भल लगुच कि we are in a place where we can expand our businesses in different horizons.
After 8 years, what you have been gaining on this organization?
So the goal is to expand in the product line. Okay, especially we have been associated with a lot of different clients. As Mr. Vice President told, okay, we are expanding our business into the supply chain right now. I'm looking forward to work with different clients in Dubai, trying to expand our office in Germany also pretty soon. So we're trying to expand our location to different places so that we can get more clients and serve multiple customers across the world.
How the idea has been strike on your mind to expand in India?
See, generally, I may be Odisha. Okay, so obviously, we want to start something in Odisha so that people of Odisha can get benefit, especially our opportunities are we have a lot of colleges, right? So we can always hire a lot of people from Odisha to expand our business in Odisha itself. So that is the goal, to give back to our own place where we want. So I am thinking that we Odisha office can have a lot of people.
ये मैरीटाइम सुपर आप डिपेंड करती है आपंकर जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन तो मैरीटाइम से बहुत सारा चैलेंज रोचे और इंडियन सब कंटिनेंट जो मैंने रोचे से भी बड़ा चैलेंज है केमती आप हैंडल करेंगे
Our product is not specific, to maritime because it's more to supply chain. Maritime is one of the things actually I may be attend to. We had a function in event in US called Seafood Import Export event Sena 2026. We met a lot of people. Even our India or ministry stall so it was a very great experience to meet a lot of people there also. Challenges, I would say that it is all temporary. I would say that because software is going to find a way to avoid those challenges and create opportunity. I would say. As your challenge is maybe that challenge is going to give an opportunity for the next generation to find a different way to handle it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
लॉजिस्टिक प्रोडक्ट आम लॉन्च करिया जाऊँ जो कि आमर यूएस रु iView.ai फाउंडर एंड सीईओ आमको जोग देइछथि एंड BPW सॉल्यूशंस फाउंडर एंड सीईओ टीम आम सहित जोग देइछथि एंड व्हाई लॉजिस्टिक एंड सप्लाई चेन बिकॉज इंडिया जो नुआ जो बजेट रे जो लॉजिस्टिक कॉरिडोर से मैंने अनाउंसमेंट कर फ्यूचर रे ओडिशार कोस्टल बेल्ट रे लॉजिस्टिक एंड सप्लाई चेन रो बहुत बड़ ऑप्शन रहिबो स्कोप रहिबो आमे एक्सेल करिया पई आम सप्लाई चेन लॉजिस्टिक रो प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करिया जाऊँ जोटा कि AI बेस्ड एंड व्हिच विल हेल्प लॉट ऑफ एक्सपोर्टर्स इंपोर्टर्स and supply chain companies will also will target lot of. We will reveal all these once we reveal our product. Okay, let's not spoil the ओडिशा जेहेतु आम कोस्टाल बेल्ट रहा कोस्टाल बेल्ट रे आमर जो कॉरिडोरटा सप्लाई चेन लॉजिस्टिक कॉरिडोरटा हम तार इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट हम बहुत सारा कंपनी आसवे से जो कंपनी आसवे से यूज करेंगे आम प्रोडक्ट्स जोटा कि एआई बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट खाली कंपनी एआई बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट यूज करेंगे द्वारा आम गोटे रिसोर्स पूल भी तैयारी करेंगे जोटा कि ओडिशा पिला ओडिशा इंजीनियर्स मानी भी बहुत लाभदायक जोटा कि से पाठ पढ़ुं कि अलग जगह पड़े जाती जब अवेलेबिलिटी बेसी ना गोटे वर्ल्ड क्लास रिसोर्स पूल भी बनाए सो दैट इट विल ऑल्सो अट्रैक्ट अदर कंपनीज टू कम एंड वर्क हियर तो मुझे भावी आम प्रोडक्ट डेफिनेटली भल एंड आम एआई इनिशिएटिव्स भी आम आग को एनरोल करूँ आते लगुच आम प्रोडक्ट भल कर मार्केट
आपन प्रोडक्ट एमती कौन खासियत अच्छी प्रोडक्ट आप
वी हैव डिफरेंट फीचर्स ओके हमार बहुत भल भल फीचर्स अच्छी जोटा कि आम रिवील करूँ इन द प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च मुझे स्पॉइलर देवाक चाहूँगी बट आम पाखे मुझे कहबी कि आम जो प्रोडक्ट अच्छी वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट जोटा कि बड़ बड़ कंपनी को आरंभ कर मीडियम रेंज कंपनीज भी यूज एंड दे विल reduce down their ROI to some extent. Okay, they will get some good benefits on that. So मैं चाहिए कि हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करेंगे फाउंडर एंड सीईओ सी आ विषय में बेसी कहतु तेणु मुझे स्पॉइलर देवाक चाहूँ
At KGS Technology Group, we believe in expressing gratitude and appreciation to those who inspire and support us. Our respected guests have always been a constant source of encouragement, driving innovation and
Association, we now begin the felicitation ceremony for as a token of our respect and gratitude. Now, let's welcome the Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Venkatesh Damodaran, the founder of success. Thank you, sir.
finally, now we would like to take a moment to acknowledge and facilitate our other distinguished guests, Akash Prashanna Das.
Some things in life grow quietly, yet with the strongest impact of all time. The key is
reflection of who we are. It carries our journey, our achievements, our career.
let's all have a small glimpse of KGS Super.
Has played a vital role in shaping the company's journey.
Their leadership and guidance have helped the organization overcome challenges.
It is not just about managing an organization. It is about inspiring people and building a vision for the future. We are fortunate to have a leader who dedication and guidance.
Thanks a lot, Abdul. And thanks a lot, KGS team, for inviting me here. Thank you.
Right from start of my career. So how it started is like my first team lead was from Orissa. We are still in touch. It was a very short period I worked with him. That graciousness, right? Like that kind-heartedness of him. I still remember we are in touch. Today also I mentioned him. I'm going to your place. I experienced that to the next level yesterday from Srikanth. The entire day they were with us. That gracious hospitality and that reflected that hospitality of I would say the state of Odisha. Since it's about Venkatesh, I think he has given a different perspective about me to them. I left US to build a company from rural India. So inspired by Sridhar Vembu. So we are a Zoho partner, and I think we are going to have a long journey with KGS Group also. So soon. Nivedita Didi. That's a verse from Gita which she chant, right? So spirituality is about understanding who we are. So generally, can any one of you say, like, if you think who a human is? Body, mind, and beyond it there is one common thing for everyone, which is Atman. So Atman is something connecting each and every creature in the world. So when we feel that everyone is one, if someone is feeling really that is what spirituality is. So
to share his valuable thoughts with us.
And we hope that 2026 will be another great year, expanding our businesses into different countries. Others started opening our offices in Dubai, we're planning to open our office in Germany. So I would say that we're looking for all your support. This is a great journey for all our business members.
And he's the founder and CEO of IBU AI in USA. And Mr. Sridharan Ratha Manoharan, founder and CEO of B2W Software. I also want to express a special word of thanks to Mr. Venkatesh Devarajan, who came here in a very short notice. Really appreciating that. And your presence here adds immense value to this milestone, Devarajan. I also want to acknowledge our partners, Webpacket Software Private Limited, and their continued collaboration. Not just a service company anymore. We are evolving into a technology solutions provider and product developer. Our deep dive into supply chain and logistics is where we will define our next chapter. We are not just supporting businesses, we are building the products that will move them. Our growth is known on the verge of starting our new company in Germany. We are taking which will be dedicatedly working on these CSR activities. Thanks both. Furthermore, we are bringing our global expertise back to our roots. We are stepping into manufacturing in Odisha. With the government of India's massive logistic corridor plan through the Odisha coastal region, we have a massive opportunity to scale our things we have built together. Let's celebrate how far we have come and get ready for the incredible global journey ahead with us. Happy 18th Foundation Day. Thank you so much.
And yes, of course, success doesn't come in a piece of cake. It's all about, planning and executing things, and which we have got very excellently.
There is a logistic and supply chain product based on AI. It is very important to have an office in Europe as well as in Dubai. Dubai, we have already registered our office, it is there. And in Europe, we are planning to do it because of these collaborations. What I see